Make a great choice today with the 2018 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.